Recently, a pleasant surprise came from the Jushi Lake birdwatching spot in the Poyang Lake National Nature Reserve in Wucheng Town, Yongxiu County, Zhujiang City, Jiangxi Province, China. 9 chubby Chinese water deer were casually wading and foraging for food. They unexpectedly met the migratory birds wintering there, creating a rare scene of deer and birds sharing the view. Birdwatching fans couldn't help shouting, "So healing!" The amazing scene of deer and birds together didn't happen overnight. It's clear proof that Yongxiu County keeps putting ecology first, green development. In recent years, Wucheng Town in Yongxiu has seen 60 kinds of migratory birds, over 160,000 in total. 98% of the world's eastern population Siberian cranes live here. As an important habitat for migratory birds, it's now a shared paradise for deer and birds.